Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to work with fondant and things to keep in mind while working with fondant. Fondant is fun and versatile to work with. Here I have a fresh pack of white fondant. So let's cut it. I'm taking a block of white fondant. It's quite firm, so we need to make it a little soft. Using the heel of your palm, press it like this to make it soft. The heat from your hands will make the fondant soft. And now this fondant is ready to roll. While rolling your fondant, make sure that your workstation is clean, dry and dust-free, as fondant picks up dirt and dust very easily. If your fondant is too sticky, you can use corn flour or powdered sugar. I use corn flour. Always sprinkle corn flour on your workstation and rolling pin so that it does not stick to your fondant. Keep moving the fondant as you roll it. While working with fondant, make sure you're working in a cool, dry place. But in summers and humid weather, please work in an AC room, as moisture is fondant's worst enemy. Enjoy working with fondant and make it your best friend and create fabulous designs. I am Rasna and thank you for loving and watching us. See you in the next video.